Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Western Alliance Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can order checks for your Western Alliance bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement that has your Western Alliance bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Western Alliance website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, westernalliancebancorporation.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Western Alliance Bank. So the first way that you can order checks is going to be by logging on to your Western Alliance bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the menu button, which is located on the main screen at the top left corner. It's going to be the 3 white lines. So you'll click on that and then scroll down and click on Log In to Online Banking right at the bottom. That then will bring you here to this screen. Now Western Bank is actually a main corporation for a few other banks, so you're just gonna click on the bank that you have. There's actually a Western Alliance, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on that one, log in, and then you'll click select account, and you're gonna do personal banking, and then click go. That then opens up this new tab where you can enter in your user ID, click continue, and then it'll prompt you to put your password in. Now if you don't have a username and password, right to the left of the screen, you can see a not enrolled yet sign up button. You can go ahead and click on that and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and then order online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Western Alliance Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Western Alliance debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Western Alliance Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find. So if you happen to know of any other good ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be by going to google.com and doing a search for order replacement checks for Western Alliance Bank. I already have a tab with this open, and I've already typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Western Alliance Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Some of those websites include Bradford Exchange Checks, Checks Unlimited, Walmart Checks, just to name a couple of examples. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Western Alliance bank account number and routing number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information about Western Alliance Bank.